Everyone, my name is Morgan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the color overlay, remove distractions in the double-click dictionary in Snap&Read using the Chrome extension. So the first thing we're going to do is I am on a National Geographic page of asteroids and comets, and there is a lot going on this page with some ads off to the side. So right away, I want to eliminate that noise on the page and just look at the content that I need to. So what we're going to do is go up to our Snap&Read extension, and we're going to scroll down to the third option, which is remove distractions. And as you can see, we are still looking at all of the content and original images, just has eliminated those ads, we'll say. So it's easy, or it's better for us not to get redirected and end up on random websites. So what we're going to do now that we have removed distractions is we're going to click on our extension, toggle it on, and then we get our toolbar off to the side here. And what we're going to do is ensure that we have our double-click dictionary on, which is found in our options. And I'm going to read this article using the color overlay so I can focus on a line-by-line guide here. So I have chosen the fifth tool down, which is our color overlay. And I'm going to move over here, and I have chosen the color purple and green. And wherever my mouse goes, it's going to be purple. And now I can follow along as I am reading, or if I want the text reader to read it to me, I could also follow along with that.
Though too small to earn the distinction of planet, asteroids and comets loom large in literature and folklore.
And then it will continue on. But it is so nice that I can follow along and have that visual support. So let's say I come across a word that I may not know the answer to. Like, I'm not sure what the word planet means. So what I'm going to do is just double click on the word planet, and it's going to give me a quick definition of what a planet is, as well as any images that might be associated with that. If I click on this down arrow, of course, I'm going to get some other definitions that might be relevant. If I am needing to have this read aloud, I absolutely can. I'm going to choose my text reader and have it read.
Any of the 9 large celestial bodies in the solar system.
And then, of course, it's going to read that entire definition to me. So that is how you use the color overlay, remove distractions, and the double-click dictionary. If you're needing any additional support, please feel free to check out our support tab at learningtools.donjohnston.com. Thanks for watching.